Okay, guys, if you are close to your laptop, there is a design I want to do. If you know you're close to your laptop, just drop a comment. I want us to work on a particular design right now. If I don't have people that are live who are with their laptop, I'm going offline. If you are close to your laptop, just drop a comment. Let's do something together. If you are close to your laptop, drop your comments because I want to teach you how to create columns, how to do structural analysis. So if you are close to your laptop, please drop it. Let me change the brightness of my room. Let me change the lights. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I think I'm okay with this light. So guys, if you are close to your laptop, turn it on. Let's do something. I want us to do structural analysis. I want to show you how to do columns in architectural world. I don't want to put it as a live video on my page. I want to show you how to do column. Okay, so first of all, I look for a design that I already worked on. So let me click open. Okay, Control O is open new page. So I'm gonna look for a job that I can easily work with. Okay, let me look for a story building. Let's say library, desktop. You save my files. I always save my files in the. Okay, let me look for something. Okay, I want to show you how to do structural analysis. This is Victor, desktop. Okay, jobs. Yep. So now I'm going to look for something. Let me take it close to the camera. So this is bedroom duplex. I'm going to open this. I created this design 2024. So I'm going to open this. Then I'm going to say, let's try this next project. Let's allow it to load. Okay, let me see this on 3D. This is a story building. I'm going to work on this. This is a story building. You can see this is entrance, main lodge, dining, kitchen, balcony. Then let's say this is a form of mini duplex. Because this is the ground floor. Then this is the first floor. You can see the first floor. This is master bedroom. This is the toilet. Then this is the lobby. This is the lobby that access both rooms. This is a 2 unit of 2 bedroom flat on a land size of 15 meter by what did I believe? Okay, let's say 15 meters by 15 meter. This is a 2 unit of 2 bedroom duplex on a land size of 15 meter by 15 meter. So I don't want to go through stress. Let me see if I did the 3D because I know very well I didn't do it. But let me just check. Okay, I didn't do the 3D. I didn't elevate it because it was a presentation, so I didn't elevate it. So today I'm going to show you how to do columns. I'm going to show you how to do structural analysis. There are a lot of people who have been asking me, how do we go about structural analysis? So today I'm going to show you how to do columns on this particular job. So I don't know if you are with your system, but if you are with your system, please follow me up. Make sure you're following what I'm doing. You must not have this design that I'm working with. You just have to open your system, then choose any circular wall. Just choose any wall. So first of all, let me tell you something. If you want to do a good structural analysis, you have to know how to use space. I always say it. Now let's work on this. How many columns do you think that this structure needs? How many columns do you really think that this structure needs? First of all, let's go to design tools. We'll go to documents, then you click your line tools. I want to show you something. If I'm doing my structural analysis, I always introduce my columns at, let's say, 3 meters. I dropped a column exactly at 3 meters. So let's gonna go work on 3 meters. First, this is the first layout. Then this is 3 meters. I want to show you if it is possible. from this end spot to this end spot is 3763. It's kind of okay for column, and same time it's still not okay for column. The reason why it's okay is because there is an internal wall to reduce the span here. If you check very well, there is an internal wall here. So if I place my column here and place another column here and place another column here, then maybe one here, this void here can easily be subdued to tension and compression, because I already have an internal wall on this section and also have an internal wall on this section. So how do I do it? From this end to this end, from this end to this end, I think we need a minimum of 1 2 3 4 5, a minimum of 5 columns on this spot. 5 columns. So let's try that. Let's see. We'll go to our design tools. We'll come down to our column. Okay, then you go to column setting, you come to geometry. Then we are using a column of 1.2 meter for the external edges. The external edges is always 1.2 meter. That is how I do my structural analysis. So that's going to be 1.2 meter square. You can see it very well. 1.2 meter square. That's what I'm using. 1.2 meter square. Okay, then I'll click my OK. I'll place the first one here. Okay, you can see I'll place the first column here. Then I'll place the second column here, this spot. Then I'll come to this end spot. Then I'll place another column here. Okay, then I'll come to the spot. I'll place another column here. Okay, then the rest column is going to be 1 meter square. So I'll come here, I'll change this to 1 meter square. That's what I'm going to be using for the rest column, 1 meter square. So this second is column. So I'm going to place the first one here. Then I'll place another one here. Then I'll place the other one here. Okay, so I'll come down to this spot. I need a column right on this spot. I need a column here. Then I need another column here. Okay, then I need another column exactly at the spot. Okay, so I'll check again. I have to make sure the distance from this point to this point. So let me measure it. Let me use my line tools. I'll come down to document, line tools. Then I'll check what I have from this spot down to this spot. What do I have there? I have, you can see it very well, 5.3. The span is too long, so I have to place 2 columns here. So I'm going to place the first column here. That's wrong. I'll place the first column here, or I could just duplicate this to be on the safe side. I could just duplicate this. Okay, I'll create a duplicate of this to the spot. Then I'll move again to the spot. Perfect. Now you can see the column that I'm having. I'm trying to show you something. Now I have this column here and I have this column here. So where do you think the next column is highly needed? We already have a column here. There is a column here already. So if you check very well, let's take this column. Let's duplicate this. If you place this column here, you will discover that we're having a wrong flight. Like, this beam can't pull through. There have to be a straight beam here, because these two walls are connected. So to help distribute the load properly, you need a column at this spot, not at this spot. you need this column exactly at this spot. So you could run complete beam on this area, then you run internal beam on this section. This is for the structural engineers. You run internal beam for this section, then you run another internal beam for this section. So what you need here, this column has to go off. Then bring this column here, you duplicate this column, you place it here, okay, you placed it here. Then you do the same thing here, you move it to the other side, you move it to the other side. Okay, now I can have a straight beam on this part. You can see the way I can have a straight beam here, and the void between here and here is too obvious, so I need a column at this spot, then I need a column at this spot. How many columns are we having here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 columns, so we are still lacking. So what do? I have to create a copy of this column. Okay, I have to create a copy of this column. Let's say this column has to come down to this spot. I have to put it here. Okay, then I'll duplicate it. I'm trying to show you the necessary spots you need a column. Okay, now you can see very well that we are having enough column to carry the structure. We're having enough columns to carry the structure. If you want me to elevate this, kindly drop it on the comment section if you want me to elevate this, but I don't think we should elevate. I think it's kind of okay. Okay, so let's take this column and bring it here. We need this column here at this spot. Okay, we need this column here, then we need this column here too. We need this column here. We need this column here. Okay, now guys, let's check something out. I want to show you something. Now if you check very well, you can see that our structure is properly fit. This structure is properly fit, is well detailed. Now let me show you. This is the entrance. You are having a column here and you're having a column here, so automatically these 4 columns on this port are safeguards everything that this part is going to encounter. Now let me explain why I'm having these 2 columns on this port. There is a void in this main lodge. If you check the main lodge very well, let's check the dimension. Let's go to align tool and check the dimensions. Okay, there is a void on this line. See, we are having approximately 3.5 by roughly 5 point something meter. So let me explain this. There is a void on this main lodge, and there is a straight beam doing the beam level. There's a straight beam here, but this beam is not running straight. How do I subdue the tension on this void? That is the reason why I'm having this column here and having this column here. Then I'm going to create a connecting beam, a beam that's going to run from this layout down to this layout. I don't know if you're getting me. Okay guys, let's work this thing properly. I want to work this thing. Let me copy this work so I don't mess up my job. I want to create a copy of this job. Hold on guys, let me show you what I really want to do. I want to create a copy of this. Let me create a copy. I just created a copy of this, so I'm going to open new page. I want to open new page. Please and please follow me. This new page that I want to open, this new page that I'm trying to open. Okay, let me just go back and open new page. I want to use this new page to create, I'm using Aki 18. I want to create this design based on beams and columns. I want to create the beams and columns, so you see the effects of what I'm actually doing. Beams and columns. Okay, fine. So let's open new page. Let's open new page. Okay, create a new project. This is a lesson guys. Please and please, if you're enjoying what I'm teaching, please kindly drop a like button. Please drop a like button. It's very important. Now this is a new page. This is a new page. So I'm going to bring what I copied here before I did. Let me paste it here. Okay, perfect. Now I paste what I copied. This is what I copied, right? Now I want to work these stuffs on beam and columns alone. Beams and columns alone. So first of all, let me come to my story settings. Then let me change to 1350 millimeter. This is the damp-proof course 1350. Then I'll click OK. I'm okay with this. Now I'll come to this part. I'll change this. Okay, that's cool. I'll come to modeling. Let me use white on this job. Let me use white here. I'll align everything, then I'll click OK. Now I don't need doors yet. I'm going to take away all these doors because I don't need them yet. Then I'm taking away doors, I'm taking away windows, taking away doors and windows. Okay, taking away doors and windows. So let's take away all the doors and windows. Let's take all doors and windows away. Okay, let's take this away. Let's go. Okay, let's take this off. All doors and windows are going off. All doors and windows, I'm taking them all off. Okay, yeah, let's bring this off. Okay guys, in case you are enjoying what I'm doing, please kindly drop a like button. If you can drop a comment, please kindly hit the like button so I'll see that we're on the same page. I'm trying to work on columns alone, so that is the reason why I'm taking this off. I'm taking all those windows off, so I'm working on columns alone. Okay, so I'm taking the windows off. Hold on guys, taking away all the windows because I want to use basically structural job. Now guys, let's do this thing. Now I have this wall. If I show you the 3D, you see that there is a block wall here. You can see this is a block wall, but right now I don't want to use a block wall. I just want to do a job that you will understand. I'm not using this block wall. I'm not using this wall. So I'm going to go back to my ground floor. Then I'm going to delete all these columns. I'll tell you why. I'll delete all these columns. I'm going to take them all away. Then I'll come to this spot. I'm currently working on the foundation. In case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to take away all these columns. Just watch what I'm going to do. I want to show you structural analysis. So I'm going to take away all these columns. Okay, it's coming up. I'm taking away all columns. All the columns is going down. Now this is the damp-proof course. I'm still going to take away this wall layout, but I want to leave it as a guide until I get what I'm doing. Okay, now I think I'm done with columns. Now this is a column. This is the building. You can see very well. This is the entrance. This is the main lodge. This is the dining. There is a door to the kitchen. Then this is the staircase flight. You fly and land the other way. This is the visitor toilet. The visitor toilet is under the staircase. The visitor toilet is under the staircase. That is the way I designed it. Now what I want to do right now is structural analysis. That is what I want to do right now. So first of all, I'm going to create a guide, and the guide I'm going to create, I'm using a slab for my column, for my basket. I'm going to use a slab for my basket, or I can use a line tool. Let me use a square line tool, but I was still going to use a slab. So let's take the external walls to be 1.2 meter. The external column, the external basket should be 1.2 meter. The external basket should be 1.2 meter. Okay, 1.2 meter square. That's the external basket. So let's change the front so you can see very well. 1.2 meter. 1200. Okay, 1.2 meter by 1.2 meter. You can see it very well. This is what we are taking. Now this is the internal basket, the external basket to say, sorry, this is the external basket. Now for me to place this external basket, I need to know the length, the size of the middle of the sword. Let's look for the middle of the sword. I'll take my single line 2. This is supposed to be 2 to 5 divided by 2. It's going to give me, let's say, 2 to 5. What's going to be the middle? 100, 115. So the middle is supposed to be 111, I think so, or 110. Let's see. Then let's check this to be 1 2. Okay, so now I'll place this column here. Down to this place. I'll move to the center and paste it here. I'll paste it here, then I'll come back here. I'm going to paste it here. Now this is the first column. I'm doing the structural analysis, guys. So this is the first column. So I'm going to duplicate this column to all edge. For those that have been asking me, how do I copy? This is how I copy. First of all, I'll click the element I want to copy. Then I'll come to my keyboard. I'll press Ctrl D. The moment I press Ctrl D, it means move. Now this command has been given for this item to move. If I come back to my keyboard and I press my Ctrl again without moving this top, it automatically means duplicate. Now let me show you. Now look, I'll press the Ctrl key again. You see that there is a plus sign. This plus sign, that means that this element, once I click it, I've already created the duplicate. Now if I press the Ctrl again, you see that I lost the plus sign. Then if I press it again, you will see that the plus sign has appeared. So now I'm going to duplicate this one to this spot. Then I'll do the same thing. I'll duplicate it again to this spot. Okay, I'll duplicate it to the spot. Okay, on our next class I'm going to show you how to put all these things in alignment. So now I have this column of 1.2 meter size at all 4 angles. Is at all the 4 angles. You can see very well, all 4 angles. So I'm going to create a 1 meter square column. Now I'll go back to my line tools. I'll pick my rectangular line. Then I'll click here. Then I'm going to change this to 1 meter. Okay, by 1 meter. Okay, now you can see I have a smaller column, so I'm going to move this column. And place it here. Okay guys, it seems I've lost all the subscribers who have been online, so I'm gonna go offline. Then I'll save this project in case of next time. So I'm gonna save this thing as structural analysis. Let's say I'm gonna save it as struct. So on our next class we're gonna treat it. So in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have lost all our subscribers online, and I really want this thing to be live. So okay, we have someone who just said ole, that's moderator. Okay, he said hello. I'm gonna reply you right now. Someone said hello, so let me check. Pin message, remove, put user in timeout, hide user on this channel. Message. Okay, Erin Q, I can see your message. Hello, kindly Tell me what you want me to do. I'm ready to answer your question. Just tell me what you want me to do. I'm so ready to answer your question right now. What do you want me to do? Okay. Okay, guys. Catch you up in our next class. I'm gonna be live tomorrow again, this same time. In case you want to catch up with me, in case you have any question, you have anything that is disturbing you, you feel like sharing it with me, I'm gonna open a general page tomorrow whereby we are going to participate. So guys, I'm gonna go offline. But in case tomorrow by this time I'm still gonna be online. So any question you have, any stress you're passing through, just come to my live, turn on your system, and I'm gonna explain everything to you. Turn on your system. If you're watching my live, always put your system close to you, turn it on. Then that particular challenge you are experiencing, just drop it on the comment section and I'm going to treat it immediately. Eric QC said hello. If you're having any challenges, please drop it on the comment section. Let me treat it immediately. Any challenge you're having, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to treat it. If you have any challenge, just drop it on the comment section. I'm ready to treat it right now. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting.